Hello, I'm John. This is Cheesy Mac Reviews. I'm here at Church's Chicken. Let's try their mac and cheese. All right, I've got Church's Chicken. I got a large mac and cheese. This was it's supposed to be a pound, but it seems a little light. Seems like if it was filled all the way up, it'd probably be a pound. This was $5.50, so pretty decent price for the amount here. Looks all right. Smells kind of weird. Let's give it a taste. I'm not impressed. I like that they gave me a spork. Sporks are the best. The mac and cheese, there's some flavor there, but not too much. It's definitely more bland than I would like. The pasta is on the mushier side of things, even for fast food places, so that's not great. Okay, I like I just got a bite of the baked cheese, and that's actually pretty decent. Overall, it's fine, you know. I would say it's good, but barely good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a 5.2. I think that's a pretty good score. A pretty fair score. So yeah, that's a review. If you like mac and cheese, like and subscribe. If you don't like mac and cheese, you are personally responsible for the Israel-Palestine war. Hope everybody watching has a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.